Do you have any idea the shitstorm you've created? Your orders were to get in and deliver the package like we were never there.
We were compromised. We had to adapt.
You thought driving a tank over half of Sarajevo was the answer?
Yes, sir, I did.
Do I look like a moron to you?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No. Our work here has not been fully accomplished. Rumor has it, during World War II, Nazis stole gold from the French that was worth a fortune. Townspeople flooded the village to stop them. Now, it's all at the bottom of a lake. What do you say, boys? Hoorah! You realize what we're talking about here?
Recovering more than $300 million in gold bars that nobody's seen in 50 years.
We're talking about a major unauthorized operation.
Under 150 feet of water. Right in the middle of enemy territory. This is a chance to do something extraordinary for the people of this country.
Hell yeah.
I was born for this. From day one I wanted it. We come too far to quit.
It seems Serb headhunters are actively searching to kill you.
We don't fight nice here. That's okay. Neither do I.
You realize you broke every oath you took.
Always said I'd go out with a bang.
Incoming! Go, 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 go!
I probably should have worn different underwear, huh?
I got a tank in front of us.
I got one behind us, too.
We're going for a swim, boys.
Ain't no stopping it.